Hello guys, today, we have this broken shower heater. Now I will try to fix this unit, and send back to our friend. If you want to know how to surely fix the same problem, watch this video till the end. But first, if you are new to this channel, and you like topics related on repairing, troubleshooting, electronics, fixing phones and gadgets and more, please do subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon is more appreciation and for you to be updated to our future uploads. Thank you. Our friend said that this unit is not working after the last try of using it. Let's see if we directly plug this in. Confirmed. This heater must respond with a sound, or it will beep, as you turn this on, or if you plug it in. As you can see, it's not making any sound, and the LED is not responding. Now, let's start to open inside. Open carefully, you might damage the LED cables. Now that it's open, you can see this tank. This is where the water is heated. The important piece is this block on the side of this tank. Later I will show you how to check this part if it is good or dead. But wait, I have to put this plug, so that it is not difficult to try later. Using this voltage tester, check the wires from input to the output of this part. By the way, this part is the temperature control and fuse of the shower heater. Of course, before testing, plug it in first to your outlet. See, the current flow doesn't reach the output. It means this regulator or temperature control is off, or shut off. Because, the purpose of this temp control is to control the temperature with a max of 95 degrees Celsius. If the shower heater exceeds to its limit, this regulator will trip off, like a safety breaker. To turn back on this regulator, you will see the circle in the middle at the top. It is a button. Just press it, and it's done. The temp control is on after that. Now, let's put this cover back, and try if it is working now after we did. All set. Now let's plug it in. Well done. Thank you so much guys, for reaching this part of this video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel for more repairing tutorials and more about electronics, gadgets, technology, and more. Hit the bell icon for you to be updated for more future uploads. Thanks for watching.